Today we'll explore the beach with the Wandering Channel. Bondi Beach is located in Sydney, New South Wales, Australia, and is one of the famous beach destinations in the world. With fine white sand and calm ocean waves, Bondi Beach attracts millions of visitors every year with its pristine beauty and vibrant atmosphere. Bondi Beach is not only an ideal destination for those who want to experience beach life. Wonderful, but also a symbol of Sydney and Australia with its natural beauty and the dynamism of the local community. The girls of Bondi Beach, Australia, are not only beauties with shiny skin and salty hair but are also symbols of confidence and vibrant lifestyles. With an outstanding maritime culture, the girls here often show their adventurous spirit and passion for sports. On the smooth white sand beach, you can see girls wearing bikinis showing off their slim figures, and they often participate in suburban activities such as surfing, kayaking, or even yoga on the beach. Their dynamism and excitement create a picture of wonderful and impressive marine life. Additionally, the girls at Bondi Beach are also diverse and open-minded. They enjoy the fun and relaxed atmosphere on the beach, creating a multicultural community where everyone can share a common passion for the sea and an active lifestyle. With their natural beauty and strong personalities, the girls of Bondi Beach are not only interesting people to observe but also a great inspiration for those who want to enjoy sea life and discover the joys of suburban experiences. Bondi Beach, located in Sydney, New South Wales, Australia, is a famous beach destination with an interesting history. With the name, Bondi, coming from the Eora Indian language, meaning, noisy water, or, house along the shore, this beach has undergone a diverse historical journey. Indigenous people used the area around Bondi Beach for thousands of years before Europeans arrived. It became an important place for their daily life and culture. Then, when James Cook, the British explorer, visited Australia in the 18th century, it became an important stop on his journey. The 19th century saw the growth of Bondi as it became a recreational area for the upper class. The construction of resorts and unique architectural works has highlighted Bondi Beach in the hearts of tourists. During the 1900s, this beach became a favorite spot for swimming and marine sports events. Today, Bondi Beach is not only a tourist icon but also the cultural and entertainment center of Sydney. Its history has created a diverse, dynamic space, combining traditional spirit and modernity. The Wandering Channel shares beautiful scenes at Bondi Beach. The landscape around Bondi Beach, Australia, is filled with a wonderful blend of natural beauty and the dynamism of urban life. The beach is located along the long coastline, surrounded by fancy rocks and mountain walls leaning against the coast, creating a majestic and unique image. Opposite Bondi Beach is the vast Pacific Ocean, symbolizing the endless power and beauty of the sea. The sparkling sunlight combined with the calm waves create a wonderful picture, attracting tourists and locals who come here to enjoy moments of peace and relaxation. Bondi Beach is surrounded by splendid streets, where lush greenery and diverse flowers decorate the paths. Large parks and green areas create great spaces for picnics, outdoor exercise, or simply sitting and sipping with family and friends. What do you think about what we have shared? Leave your thoughts below in the comments section and let us know what you'd like to see more of in upcoming videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Bondi Beach, Australia, is not only a famous tourist destination with wonderful natural beauty but also offers a unique travel experience with many attractive services. In particular, Beach Walk 2024 is a tourism program at Bondi Beach that gives visitors the opportunity to participate in walks along the beach, explore wonderful hidden corners and enjoy the salty sea. Beach Walk 4K is a high-definition experience that takes visitors to the clearest view of Bondi Beach. With Beach Walk Review, visitors can learn detailed information about the travel experiences of those who have visited, from views of beautiful scenery to recreational activities. For those who love the vlogging genre, Vlog Beach Walk is a wonderful experience. Visitors can listen to personal sharing, journeys of discovery and interesting moments during their journey at Bondi Beach. The Beach Walk Tour 4K service is not only an opportunity to enjoy wonderful scenery but also an experience of enjoying sharp image quality. You can take an exciting journey through the famous beautiful spots of the beach, while enjoying the atmosphere filled with positive energy of this place. Whether it's a girl beach walk, with bikini-clad girls creating a glamorous scene, or an alone beach walk, for those who want to enjoy a moment of peace and quiet, Bondi Beach has it all. Unique for everyone, Beach Walk Videos is a great resource for those who want to re-enjoy the most beautiful moments of their travel journey here. The climate at Bondi Beach, Australia, is an integral part of the natural beauty and vitality of this popular beach destination. With a mild and pleasant climate all year round, Bondi Beach is ideal for travelers looking to enjoy a beach experience in every season. Bondi Beach's mild and pleasant climate is an important part of its tourist attraction, allowing people to enjoy its natural beauty and vibrant atmosphere at all times of the year. The Wandering Channel shares experiences when traveling. With a spirit of inclusion and a willingness to share, local residents at Bondi Beach often welcome visitors with open arms. These people often participate in marine activities such as surfing, kayaking, or simply taking long walks on the beach. Their friendliness and extroversion make Bondi Beach a really conducive place to network and create new relationships. Let's build beauty and a strong tourism community together. The impact of tourism in Bondi Beach, Australia, is not only economic but is also a significant factor shaping the culture and society of the area. With millions of visitors flocking each year, Bondi Beach has become a symbol not only of Sydney but of the whole country. Tourism at Bondi Beach has generated a large source of income for the local community through accommodation, restaurants, shopping, and recreational activities. Local businesses regularly benefit from visitor interest and provide unique experiences, from delicious meals to unique works of art. Click the subscribe button to not miss other interesting and useful videos from our wandering channel. Don't forget to press the like button if you find this video worth watching. We'd love to hear from you, so leave your comments below in the comments section. Sincerely thank you for your support and companionship with our wandering channel. Remember to turn on notifications so you don't miss any new updates. Thank you very much everyone, and see you in the next videos.